Lingbird, language learning made easy.
Hello, and welcome to Lingbird, your place to listen, repeat, and grow your English step by step. I'm really glad you're here today. In this lesson, we will practice English using shadowing, one of the most effective ways to improve speaking. I will speak slowly and clearly, using simple and natural sentences. After each sentence, you will have time to repeat it out loud. This practice is not about being perfect. It is about building confidence, rhythm, and real speaking habits. You don't need to think about grammar right now. Just listen, copy my voice, and speak. Today, we will talk about daily life, from morning to night. You will practice full ideas, not just short words. By the end of this lesson, you will feel more comfortable speaking English naturally. So relax, take a deep breath, and focus on your voice. Wherever you are right now, make this time yours. Are you ready to practice real English with Lingbird? Let's begin. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. Now it's your turn. Repeat the sentence you heard. Excellent! I usually wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. On weekdays, I get up early. Repeat this. You're doing great! On weekdays, I get up early. When I wake up early, I feel calm. Repeat after me. When I wake up early, I feel calm. First, I stay in bed for a few minutes. First, I stay in bed for a few minutes. Then I slowly stretch my arms and legs. Then I slowly stretch my arms and legs. After that, I get out of bed. After that, I get out of bed. Next, I go to the bathroom. Next, I go to the bathroom. I turn on the light in the bathroom. I turn on the light in the bathroom. In the morning, I brush my teeth carefully. In the morning, I brush my teeth carefully. After brushing my teeth, I wash my face with cold water. After brushing my teeth, I wash my face with cold water. Sometimes I take a quick shower. Sometimes I take a quick shower. In the shower, I often listen to soft music. In the shower, I often listen to soft music. After the shower, I get dressed. After the shower, I get dressed. I usually wear comfortable clothes in the morning. I usually wear comfortable clothes in the morning. After getting dressed, I go to the kitchen. After getting dressed, I go to the kitchen. I usually make a simple breakfast at home. I usually make a simple breakfast at home. In the morning, I often eat toast and eggs. In the morning, I often eat toast and eggs. Sometimes I eat fruit with my breakfast. Sometimes I eat fruit with my breakfast. When I have time, I eat slowly. When I have time, I eat slowly. I usually drink coffee in the morning. I usually drink coffee in the morning. On some days, I drink tea instead. On some days, I drink tea instead. While I eat, I check my phone. While I eat, I check my phone. Before leaving home, I pack my bag. Before leaving home, I pack my bag. I always take my phone, keys, and wallet. I always take my phone, keys, and wallet. Then I put on my shoes. Then I put on my shoes. After that, I leave the house. After that, I leave the house. In the morning, I go to work or school. In the morning, I go to work or school. I usually go by bus or on foot. I usually go by bus or on foot. During the trip, I listen to music. During the trip, I listen to music. Sometimes I look outside and relax. Sometimes I look outside and relax. When I arrive, I say hello to people. When I arrive, I say hello to people. Then I start my work or classes. Then I start my work or classes. Around noon, I stop working. Around noon, I stop working. At 12 o'clock, I usually eat lunch. At 12 o'clock, I usually eat lunch. I often eat lunch with coworkers or classmates. I often eat lunch with coworkers or classmates. After lunch, I sometimes feel tired. After lunch, I sometimes feel tired. In the early afternoon, I drink water or coffee. In the early afternoon, I drink water or coffee. Then I go back to work. Then I go back to work. In the afternoon, I check my emails. In the afternoon, I check my emails. I finish my tasks before the end of the day. I finish my tasks before the end of the day. In the afternoon, I sometimes have free time. In the afternoon, I sometimes have free time. When I have time, I study English. When I have time, I study English. I usually listen to slow English audio. I usually listen to slow English audio. Sometimes I repeat sentences out loud. Sometimes I repeat sentences out loud. Every day I try to learn new words. Every day I try to learn new words. I finish my work in the late afternoon. I finish my work in the late afternoon. After work, I go home. After work, I go home. When I get home, I change into comfortable clothes. When I get home, I change into comfortable clothes. Then I sit down and rest for a few minutes. Then I sit down and rest for a few minutes. In the evening, I make dinner. In the evening, I make dinner. If I feel tired, I cook something simple. If I feel tired, I cook something simple. I sometimes order food in the evening. I sometimes order food in the evening. I eat dinner with my family in the evening. I eat dinner with my family in the evening. After dinner, we talk about our day. After dinner, we talk about our day. Later, we clean the kitchen together. Later, we clean the kitchen together. I relax at home in the evening. I relax at home in the evening. I often watch TV or listen to music. I often watch TV or listen to music. Before bed, I take a shower. Before bed, I take a shower. Then I brush my teeth again. Then I brush my teeth again. At night, I put on my pajamas. At night, I put on my pajamas. Before sleeping, I set my alarm clock. Before sleeping, I set my alarm clock. Finally, I go to bed. Finally, I go to bed. I usually sleep well at night. I usually sleep well at night.
Thank you for listening to this lesson. Your progress doesn't stop here. For even more confidence in your language skills, click on the next video or choose a playlist that matches your level. And of course, like and subscribe to stay up to date. Bye-bye.